As we celebrate Lab Week, every journey toward a diagnosis begins the same way, with a patient walking through the door and a warm welcome at the lab. This is a time to recognize the vital work that starts with a simple greeting and unfolds into answers that guide patient care. In many cases, that process begins with a phlebotomist. Trained in both technique and compassion, the phlebotomist confirms the patient's identity, selects the proper collection tubes, and performs the blood draw with precision. Their expertise ensures not only patient comfort, but also the quality of the sample, because accurate testing starts with proper collection. Each tube is carefully labeled, verified, and prepared for transport. Every detail matters. Each label keeps the patient's story connected to the correct results. To reach the laboratory quickly and safely, many samples travel through our pneumatic tube system, a high-speed network flowing behind the walls of the hospital. When the sample arrives, the laboratory team gets to work. A skilled laboratory assistant will scan, log, and sort each specimen according to the test ordered, ensuring each one follows the correct path toward diagnosis. From here, advanced technology takes over. State-of-the-art instruments process hundreds of samples with remarkable precision, measuring everything from chemistry panels to complete blood counts. While automation handles the high-volume work, skilled medical laboratory scientists oversee the process, verify results, and troubleshoot any irregularities. Some tests require a more hands-on approach. In microbiology, cells are cultured to identify infectious organisms. Here, medical laboratory scientists transform complex pathogens into clear diagnoses, providing the critical data clinicians rely on to guide treatment. For tissue samples, the journey continues in surgical pathology. Here, a pathologist examines the specimen, describing, measuring, and preparing it for microscopic analysis. This grossing process ensures that the most important areas of tissue are preserved for further study. In the histology lab, tissue samples are processed and embedded into paraffin blocks. With remarkable precision, a histotechnologist cuts the tissue into ultra-thin sections and places them onto glass slides. These slides become the detailed images a pathologist uses to identify disease. Behind every diagnosis, every treatment plan, and every step toward healing, there is a laboratory. From the secretary checking in the patient, to the phlebotomist drawing blood, to the lab assistant processing the specimens, to the scientist running complex tests, to the pathologist interpreting tissue. This is the unseen journey of every sample. This is the science that supports patient care.